Hey guys, I'm John Setzler. Welcome back to Atlanta Grill Company. Today I have an honored privilege of getting the opportunity to show you guys the Myron Mixon BARQ 2400 pellet smoker. This is the updated version of the Myron Mixon BARQ pellet smoker line, and this is the middle size of the three. They have the 1700 square inch, and this is the 2400 square inch, and then they've got a 3600 square inch version that's even larger than this. This just arrived here yesterday. I put it together yesterday, and today I want to take you on a walk around tour of this grill and its features. So let's get started. One of the first things I'd like to say about this grill is that I've put together a lot of grills in my day. As you know, you've seen everything I've had through here. And this is one of the first grills, if not the first grill I've ever put together where everything fit the way it was supposed to. All of the holes lined up. I didn't have to punch anything. I didn't have to force anything. Everything went together smoothly, and as I was putting this grill together, you can see immediately how well the parts are made that make this grill up. So let's look at it a little bit closer. I want to start out by showing you the inside of the grill. One of the amazing things here is the cooking capacity that these things have. This guy's got 4 racks in it, and each one of these racks is 21 inches front to back and 27 inches across. These are big enough to hold 2 hotel pans or 1 whole sheet pan. These, when they slide out, there's these locks over here that if you've got weight on these things and want to slide one of these grills out, they will not topple over with you when you do that. So now I've removed the grill grates, and I'm going to show you the inside here. Everything on the inside of this grill is stainless steel. All these pieces are stainless, and down in the bottom here we have the heat shield and drip tray. This guy is stainless also, and this guy channels your drippings from whatever you're cooking down into a trough that we're going to look at more closely in a moment, that drains out into a bucket underneath the grill. I will be coating this with a layer of aluminum foil just to help keep it clean, but I just wanted to show you that. And this guy is extremely heavy duty and very, very solid. Down in the bottom of the grill, we have the actual flame shield that covers the fire pot. The fire pot on this Kamado is very similar, the fire pot on this pellet grill is very similar to most other fire pots that you see. It's the same design. There's an auger that pushes pellets from the pellet hopper that we're going to look at here into the fire pot, and there's an igniter in there that lights the fire when you first fire this up. Here in the rear of the grill, we have the exhaust ports, and this is a great feature on this grill, having the exhaust ports down low rather than up high. When you have the exhaust ports down low on a pellet grill, it creates a nice positive pressure inside the grill, which keeps the smoke circulating, and it also promotes an even temperature throughout the entire cooking chamber on a grill like this. Over here on the right side, you can see this V-shaped trough. This is the grease trough that the grease flows out of the grease catch tray, and there's a chute right here that dips down underneath the grill, and that empties out into this provided bucket that lives underneath the grill. The bucket does not come with any foil liners, but one of the things I've noticed is the Pit Boss brand foil liners that you can get at Academy Sports and probably several other places fit right inside this bucket, where you can just take a liner out and throw it out if you like when you're done. The entire body of this grill is double walled and insulated to provide the best possible cooking efficiency you can get. The lid is also stainless steel, double walled and insulated, and it has a nice fiberglass gasket that when you close this lid, it's going to make a nice seal to keep your cook going without a whole bunch of leakage and heat loss. When the lid is open on this grill, it does not come past the back side of the grill, so you can have this guy fairly close to a wall. Even though you wouldn't want to have it really close to a wall, it's not going to hit something behind it when you open the lid on this unit. On the front of this grill, we have a work table that is 30 inches long and 7.5 inches deep front to back. That is stainless steel. On the right hand side of this grill, we have another work table that's 22 inches wide by 14 inches deep front to back. It is also stainless steel, and it has the handle attached, and this is the handle that you can drive this grill with. You can pick it up and roll it around and pull it around by that handle. On the rear of this grill, we have the two exhaust ports. Those low ports that are down here on the bottom on the inside port out and up out the back side of the grill from two different locations, one on each side. Underneath this grill, you have a storage shelf that's approximately 30 inches wide and approximately 24 inches front to back. And from this view, you can also see it's got some really nice tires on the left side that you're using to roll this thing. It'll make it easy to roll this thing over about any terrain. And on the front, you have really heavy duty locking casters on both sides. Both of the casters on each side of that grill will lock into position. On the left hand side of the grill, we have the pellet hopper and then the control unit. And this pellet hopper is a 20-pound capacity hopper. And on the back side of the hopper, we have a lever that can be used to dump the pellets. If you want to empty the pellets out of this grill and replace them with a different flavor, you just pull that lever and it will open the chute and let the pellets fall out. You want to make sure, obviously, you've got a bucket or something underneath there. And here we have the antenna for the Wi-Fi controller. And on the front lower side of the pellet hopper, we have the actual grill control. This is where you turn the grill on and off. You can prime the fire pot with the auger. You can manually adjust your temperature up and down, and you can change what the display's doing. You can have it show you different things and cycle through those various elements. There is a port here for a meat probe, and you do get one meat probe with this grill, so this grill can also monitor the temperature of the meat you're cooking and report that back through the app on your phone. And hanging out from underneath the control unit on the pellet hopper is the power cord. This guy plugs into a standard power outlet, and it's got a fairly heavy duty cord there. It's a 3-prong cord, so everything there's ready to go. So I think I've done a pretty good job here of showing you the features, the build quality of this grill. If you have any specific questions about it that I haven't answered, please let me know. I will answer the question for you, and if I can't answer it, I will get an answer. And in the meantime, later on today, I'm gonna do the burn-in cook, or the burn-in on this grill, and do a little seasoning on it. But guys, you're gonna see a lot of cooking on this grill. I'm gonna make this, this grill is going to get at least half of my cooking time on video for quite some time, if not more. I really am impressed with what's offered here, and I hope you enjoy it as well. So if you have any questions, comments, or anything else about this smoker, let me know. Until next time, this is John Setzler with Atlanta Grill Company.